You're watching F5. We are here at AppWorld 2025 in Singapore, and I'm joined by my old friend, actually, Onn Chee. You're one of the first people I met when I first started coming to Singapore, to GovWare. I met you. But for the folks who haven't met you before, can I get you to introduce yourself?
Hi, everyone. My name is Onn Chee. I'm the OWASP Singapore chapter lead here. Or to be more accurate, co-lead. I have my partner in arms, Cecil Su, who also is also the co-lead here in Singapore, helping to run the chapter activities.
Fantastic. Always great to chat with you because I think from that position you get a lot of broad insights across AppSec when it comes to the local region. So maybe you can give an update to me on what you've kind of seen, because I would imagine things like AI have kind of changed the landscape and what you guys talk about in the meetings.
Yep, definitely. I think first I would like to say the good work done by perhaps your colleague, right, Aubrey, especially in the area of the GenAI space under the OWASP umbrella. Because now, even in Singapore, our authorities are recognizing or are referencing OWASP artifacts in the area of GenAI. So indeed, what you say is true. The attention among the IT community here is pivoting towards or heavily in towards GenAI. Now, wearing the OWASP AppSec hat, I think therein still lies the gap, which I'm hearing from the feedback that I'm getting. How can a developer write secure LLM apps or AI apps? And I think that is the chasm, and that's the gap that I think I hope that OWASP can also play a strong part in, to educate, empower, and enable developers to write secure AI apps.
I see there's that gray line there, because the OWASP top 10 for the LLM side of things kind of takes it from the approach of like model protection, takes it from the approach of maybe from a network perspective as well, and then just adjacent to that from the OWASP perspective, when you're writing an AI application, you're calling libraries, so you need to have like supply chain security as part of that, where you're getting your model from as well, that aspect as well. So are you seeing that kind of that marriage in between the two?
Definitely, because I don't think any AI application is going to exist in its own silo. It's most likely have to be calling libraries, calling perhaps cloud-hosted APIs, cloud AI APIs. So I would see a confluence of various aspects like LLM security, API security, your traditional application security, your classical top 10, for example, with your injection and broken access control. I think that still apply in the LLM world. Yeah, so it will be perhaps a good marriage of all the good work and artifacts that OWASP have delivered over the years. Yeah.
Fantastic. What I love about OWASP is it's a nice package, makes everything easier to consume, and chapter leads like yourself, like really championing getting that education out there. So that's really cool to see, especially in Singapore, where I see a lot of things advancing really quickly here. So I'm sure that means that you keep really busy in the education of this space.
Well, unfortunately, since we last met in Singapore, I think our universities, the colleges that are producing the next generation software engineers, are still not making AppSec a core mandatory module.
Sure.
So I think industry groups like OWASP still have a part to play in terms of educating, enabling the next generation developers in writing
Never
secure
ends.
apps. Yeah, we hope it may come to the end.
Sure.
If the colleges start producing developers that can write secure apps, but it's still a dream. Yeah, it's still a dream.
Yeah, well, we're working on it, we're thankful for that, so thank you, Onn Chee. I'm sure I'll be checking in with you every single time I come to Singapore. Thanks for always supporting us at F5 and participating in our stuff and
Happy to support and
getting to learn from you.
Many thanks to F5 being an ardent supporter of OWASP Singapore chapter too.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you very much, folks. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and otherwise we will see you on the next one. Bye for now.